Hello everyone, this is Anita. Today I came up with my next static web page and I have learned these concepts in a platform called CCBP 4.0 provided by NextWave. Here you can see my web page on my right side and let me explain it briefly. Initially it contains a top container with a pink color background and main heading as new technologies, and here is the paragraph below this head one and an image beside this text, and here are the two subtitles, view records and then videos. Under this view records, here is the card with a white color background and detailed view as head one and paragraph here having an image beside this text again. This is the bottom block having these three blocks, each block containing an image and then a text below this image. Here you can see, and finally here is the button element, view more. And coming to the code, it is HTML code and this one is CSS. In HTML, the main code is in between the body tags. Here is the body start tag and here is the body end tag. And in HTML, generally a container element is a div element because it can hold one or more HTML elements. Here is the top container, top card. It is holding this new technologies head one and this paragraph and this image. Similarly, this middle card is holding this image and then head one and then this paragraph. It is given here. Here you can see this div element middle card holding this detailed view head one, paragraph and then this image, and this bottom blocks are given here. It is the first block having image and text, and it is second one image and text, and so on. It is the button element. Finally, here you can see every time that content is in between the start tag and end tag. For the button element, it is start tag and content, and then this is white end tag. And coming to the alignment, here the text is to the left side of this image and these both are aligned horizontally. It is being achieved by this line d-flex-row. It is a bootstrap reusable code where we can include bootstrap using these 4 lines in the head tag. Here you can see, and these colors and stylings are given in the CSS using CSS properties. Here you can see for the top card, these are the properties used here as background hyphen color and background hyphen size as 35 VH. Here this line gives us this top container should occupy only 35 VH height, and this is the padding and then height. And coming to the top heading is nothing but this new technologies. The properties are font family and font size, and for the paragraph these are the properties. And here is an interesting thing in top image is that border hyphen radius colon 9 pixels. This line signifies that this image is curved at the edges. Here you can see the curveness of this image. And here is the middle card styling. Here you can see, here we have used margin colon 10 pixels. Margin gives the spacing around this card. You can see here the spacing around this card, and here are the remaining properties used here. And finally, this is the button element. For the button element, this alignment is achieved by this line text hyphen align colon center. And that's it for this video. Do give your feedback in your comment section, and thank you for watching.